Zeliangrong United Front ZUF has urged Zeliangrong people not to extend any help and cooperation towards the proposed economic blockade imposed by United Naga Council along the National Highway number 37 and Trans-Asian Railways from Jutibam to Imphal. In the press note issued by its Secretary, Information and Publicity, Louis Gangmei, ZUF welcomed the upcoming visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to northeast states, including Manipur, and expressed hope that the visit will address and give healing touch to all the regional political aspirations of the people of northeastern India that include a long-drawn political aspiration of Zeliangrong people. While denouncing the indefinite blockade called by UNC at Naga areas, ZUF maintained that the construction of border fencing and the discontinuation of Free Movement Regime FMR was to check and control cross-border terrorism, insurgency, armed smuggled and human trafficking in northeast region. In this regard, Manipur State Cabinet have taken a decision in the Assembly with the support of Naga ministers and MLAs. It further alleged that UNC, which is an apex social body of Manipur Naga, did not immediately protest about the decision of Manipur Cabinet to fence the border and on scrapping of FMR. It alleged UNC of working under the whimsical influence of National Socialist Council of Nagaland (IM) with ulterior motive by deceiving the people with decisive policies and plunging people into conflict, creating mistrust in the region.